Are you looking for the best woodworking gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 woodworking gloves. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Ironclad General Utility Work Gloves GUG. This ironclad glove is one of the most popular woodworking gloves on the market right now. It provides impact and abrasion protection throughout the knuckles as well as thermoplastic rubber knuckle protection. It also includes an adjustable hook and loop closure for a secure, tailored fit that allows for optimal job performance. The index, thumb, and middle fingers have open finger flexibility, while the rest of your hand is covered by these woodworking gloves. It sports a thermoplastic rubber logo over the knuckle area that protects against abrasion. Furthermore, the thermoplastic cuffs puller assists the wearer in getting it into the proper position. To make things easier for the consumer, they've added a sweat wipe to the terry towel. Finally, one of the most excellent features of the gloves is that they can be machine washed. It is made of faux leather, nylon, and leather for a flexible, long-lasting fit that protects your hands and fingers from solvents, rough wood, cuts, and abrasions. If you want to keep the original size of your ironclad general utility work gloves consistent with its original shape from the time of purchase, air drying is advised. However, machine washing is also safe. At number 2. Youngstown Performance Work Gloves. For carpenters, a good pair of work gloves should provide sturdy protection while maintaining natural fingertip dexterity. These are essential features that the Youngstown Performance Work Gloves have. This allows users to operate power tools and to work on finer precision tasks, all while protecting hands from abrasions or cuts. In addition, these gloves can withstand tool sparks without melting or dripping and protects against punctures with their double-layer construction. The leather work gloves have been designed with a modern pattern and high-quality materials to provide a superior grip, enhanced flexibility, and most importantly, great comfort. At number 3. CLC Custom Leather Crafts. CLC Custom Leather Craft Gloves have been designed with a blend of artificial leather, lycra, and spandex that bring multi-benefits to the table, being top of the list. Besides that, other benefits of these gloves are that they are shrink-resistant so you can wash these gloves easily. The lining at the inner side of the gloves is insulated, which keeps your hand cuddled. 3 middle fingers are designed in such a way that we can use our touch-screen devices also while wearing these gloves. It is the best woodworking glove also. At number 4. Mechanics M-Pact Framer Work Gloves. The M-Pact line from Mechanics is one of the most popular gloves for heavy-duty protection. It is ideal for people working in construction, oil and gas, heavy industry, etc. With a wide range of models specially designed for specific industries, workers will have no trouble finding the gloves that fit their needs. This framer model is one such design, with features that make them one of the best work gloves for carpenters. The main feature that gives these gloves their impressive protection is what the brand calls M-Pact. It is a set of TPR guards fused into the gloves at key areas, the knuckles and along the lengths of the fingers. TPR is known for being very durable and resilient, giving the glove unmatched protection from most kinds of work hazards. Now, these TPR guards do add a considerable amount of bulk to the gloves, especially along with the fingers. In my opinion, this makes the fingers feel unwieldy when handling small objects. While many glove makers are turning to synthetic gloves to make their newer models, there is no doubt that leather is still one of the best materials for high-performance work gloves.